Hey, welcome back to the Rack Shop. Here we've got the Leitner HydroPOD. So this is a new accessory from Leitner. We're actually pretty excited about this one. Just took it out of the box that you can see here, so packed pretty condensely. But here you've got the 20-foot hose. You also got the nozzle inside, the mounting plates, the instruction manual with the track lock mounting hardware, and then the HydroPOD. So it's 4.8 gallons worth of storage. So you have pressurized water wherever you need it. When it's shipped, you've got this little rubber tube to protect that nozzle here. So that's taken off. So yeah, there's the hose connection here in the bottom. Here you've got the fill hole and pump. So just manual operation. Just pump that up. Oh, yeah. There's a couple pumps that's already pressurized. Alright, so we'll throw on the mounting plates, put it on the truck, and take a closer look. Stay tuned. Okay, before we put this HydroPOD onto the Leitner rack, just want to show it with the top bracket, bottom bracket installed. And what we're going to do is make sure that the hardware is horizontal, and that way it'll slide into the track a lot easier. Just want to show you that real quick. So we'll throw it onto the rack and show you some more. Okay, here we have the HydroPOD from Leitner installed onto the forged ACS bed rack system. So really easy install with the track lock hardware. You can see 4.8 gallons again. For full details, visit our website, therackshop.com, for more specs, pictures, all that good stuff. So here you can see the tank, the nozzle. In our gear pod, we've got the hose and the nozzle. So both ends have a quick release mechanism. So quickly and easily attach and detach. So we'll pull the hose out. Doing this with one hand. We'll go ahead and attach it here. Then you've got your open valve. That's pretty much it. Connect the other end with your nozzle. And then you've got your pump. Give it a quarter turn. Got your pump here, so you just pump that up. Re-engage that. And then use the nozzle. So quick and easy. A very convenient way to carry some water on board, whether you need to wash your gear or just general cleanup. Really great option for your Leitner rack. Again, these accessories you see here can be arranged anywhere along the rail of the bed rack. Driver's side, passenger side, wherever you're going to find it's most useful. So for easy ordering, more details, please visit therackshop.com or come by our shop. We're located here in North Austin and would love to talk to you about this rack. Thanks for watching.